Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making an easy and tasty quail dish, marinated with olive oil and dry spice to pair with last week's sauce and next week's recipe as well. Let's get started. I am using 6 small quails, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon browning sauce, 4 medium garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon rosemary, half a teaspoon chili powder, and 3 red serrano peppers. Into a bowl, crush the garlic and add in the remaining dry ingredients, oil and browning sauce, and stir. Brush a baking pan with olive oil, slice the peppers in half lengthwise, and line the tray. Add the quail to the marinade and brush to coat the quail. Then place them all into the pan and brush remaining marinade over them. Set oven to bake at 400 and place the tray in for 45 minutes. Now your quail is ready to plate and serve. Last week's sauce recipe pairs well with this recipe. And be sure to watch next week's recipe to see how I made the rice in this video as well. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comment, leave them below. If you want more recipes like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.